yapıyorsun şimdi?
Bilet alıyorum.
Nereye?
Cascais.
Cascais'e gidiyoruz. Ne kadar ödedin?
5
Tekrar here. Have you got the
Beş
four?
kek. 5 in there.
Cash ödeyebiliyorsun.
So cash in here, coin. Okay.
Because
Try again. Okay.
coins just
Coins
there.
in there. And
Lütfen bekleyiniz.
this Navigante card you can actually use again, so you could keep hold of it and charge
Okay.
it onto it again when you come again.
Don't forget your coin. Evet, şimdi Cascais'e gidiyoruz. 40 dakikalık bir tren yolculuğundan sonra tren bayağı kalabalıktı ama şimdi biraz sakin oldu. Manzarayı izleye izleye gidiyoruz. Steve, iyi misin orada? Yolculuk nasıl gidiyor?
Cascais geliyoruz.
Gidiyoruz.
Evet gidiyoruz. 5 dakika sonra Sofya'da.
Per minute.
Her minute 10 dakika.
10 dakika. Evet. What we gonna do in there?
We're gonna walk, yürüyoruz.
Evet. Daha çok
We're gonna eat, we're gonna drink, we're gonna go to the beach.
Ice cream.
Dondurma.
Evet,
We go
dondurma.
to the beach, we're gonna look at the nice views, sit and have a drink and look at the sea. Maybe find that burger place.
Yeah. Majestic burger.
Let's hope the burger is majestic. I hope it's just not may be majestic.
You will see.
I hope so. Evet, şimdi Cascais'e indik. Hava çok güzel görünüyor. You're right, the sun's shining.
Şimdi sahile doğru gideceğiz. Bakalım bizi neler bekliyor. Cascais'e hoş geldin. Evet. Welcome to Cascais. Well, where are you taking us now?
We're gonna go.
That way.
Station goes down. We're gonna go to the beach, I think first.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
watch the people.
Watch the people. But yeah, where do people go? That's where we're going.
Yeah.
We're gonna, when we came before, I think we walked down to the coast first and then through the little town, didn't we?
Yeah.
So,
And I think we sat there.
yes, that's the nice little cafe if you want to go.
Yeah, and it's quite cheap.
Cheap, which is food, ama, güzel.
You can see the
Yeah.
prices.
Tapas, tapa, tapa. Cascais today. Herkese merhabalar. Hoş geldiniz to our channel. And yeah, it's a nice sunny day. It's a bit sun and cloud, but we're making the most of it. You see it's a beautiful coastal place. We've got the beach behind me in that direction. And We're just walking up the hill here, and there's a castle, sort of the castle grounds we're going to look at. There's a marina to look around. You see the boats over here, and there's some really nice sort of famous blue and white painted lighthouse that's around the corner, which we'll show you as well. And there's a really nice, we came here last year, and there's a really lovely bar we're going to go and have a drink at, because you get really lovely views over the ocean, and maybe a bit of sangria. Seems like that sort of day today. So yeah, we'll have a look around there, sit down and relax, and we'll show you everything there is to do in Cascais.
Merhaba arkadaşlar. Hoş geldiniz. We are in Cascais. Cascais'teyiz. Sangria içiyoruz. Hava sıcak.
The restaurant we were going to have a drink, like last time, it's actually closed. So we came to this one, which is just up the road. It's Boca de Inferno cafe snack bar. You'll see it when you come up this way. And Boca de Inferno is like a cliff sea formation just behind us, translates to the devil's mouth. And we're just going to have a quick drink here before continuing our walk. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.